Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublai phi baro kini kilong ki khubor bamta kasni. Sa khendiat benai ban sawan ka Sorkar jela kan khang shwa shipor ya ka Jingkieng Damsite ban omsha shu ya baro ki kali ban yan lengba ka Jingkieng Dam yam katnat Public Work Department PWD bar kiwi kitnat trekam ka Sorkar Meghalaya kidang yale ban wat jaka bantei surok thamai yatu menteri katnat kam pinmi boarding u 80 mondal habayakran shakilat pathai khubor Menteri Katnat Boarding u 80 Mondal ulayathu ba katnat PWD kala debyo jaka thamai banchna surok ban pinyaso ya ka East Khas Hills bar Garibhoi district Henry ombatai pan naganu kalyang ya ka ba omdan kamshu banya nalor ka Jingkieng Dam yam ka ba menta yathu menteri ya menta katnat PWD kadangwat jaka thamai banchna surok ban pelat ka jingyat kali nalor kadam laong umandal Kham hamen shwa katnat PWD kala ai jingmut bantei de ka Jingkieng thamai kaban mi shajan Nehru Park yam henreina kalyang ka Geological Survey of India GSI kala pyntip ba kamlong shngan ya kadam bantei jingtei thamai ha kini ki benta ka wa yam Shushu menteri uyathu ba ulaya syong bun ki jingyalang bat katnat PWD ha ka jingyalam usembut menteri rang ba ka jela banwat kilat ki lenti kumno banyo surok thamai ban pelan ya ki kali banyat nalor ka Jingkieng Dam yam badang don hapdeng ka jing maramat.
This will be happening in the month of March. As for lowering of the bridge, I can't say the exact date now. It will depend after completion of the work, we will lower the bridge. Before that, we will be sitting with our technical committee and also we'll be sitting with the coordination committee and we'll apprise the state cabinet also that we are taking up this work, though cabinet knows, but the entire program will be apprising the cabinet also.
And then first week, second week?
Yeah, I'm thinking that within 15th we'll be able to do it.
15th of
March.
And in
Traffic, as I told you earlier also, usually what will happen on the day of lifting the bridge, around 4 to 8 hours, the entire bridge will be closed down. There will be no thoroughfare as far the vehicular traffic is concerned through the bridge. After it is lifted and kept in a particular height, then we'll put ramp on both sides of the bridge and allow the passage of light vehicles and so also ambulance and all these things through the bridge. We'll be not allowing any heavy vehicles. There will be complete closure of the heavy vehicles. Lower the bridge and all retrofitting work is completed.
what is the percentage?
It is going on because percentage wise, see, we are now doing only 50% of the dam. So after completing the 50% of the dam, we will again open this site and then we will be doing the same work on the other side which is now open to traffic. We sat with PWD also and PWD department under the leadership of our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister is exploring all ways and means to see that an alternative road comes. Accordingly, proposal was there through the upstream of this dam that one bridge can come through the upstream of the dam. But then Geological Survey of India, when their opinion has been sought, they told that no, you should not go for any construction because this will there will be lots of probability of damage in the dam structure. Even downstream also same thing. Now I think PWD has found an alternative route and through which new bridges or road will be constructed.